How to view and learn all physical keyboard shortcuts on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. So you will see general management is here, so click on general management. Now here, so click on physical keyboard. So after click on physical keyboard, click on keyboard shortcuts. So after click on physical keyboard shortcuts, so if you want to view and learn, so you will see view and learn shortcuts from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can view and learn all physical keyboard shortcuts on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.